Is your website getting visitors, but no calls, leads, or customers? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 things I look for in a small business website that can prevent you from getting customers. So I'm in New Haven, Connecticut. So let's take a look. Why don't we do landscapers? Not picking on landscapers, but we'll see what we got here. I did look earlier, so let's try this. All right. The first thing I look for, now this isn't a bad website. I went through it. He has like what he needs, testimonials, nice photos, contact form. He has all the proper elements. They just could be in better places to possibly help with more conversions, getting customers. So immediately when you land on a website, within the first 3 to 6 seconds, you want to tell the visitor who you are, what you do, where you're located, and the next step, or to contact you, a call to action. Okay. So when I immediately land on this website, it's it's a little hard for me to tell that it's a landscaper because you only have this little thing in that logo. Contact, yes, there's contact here, but it's kind of buried, with all the white going on. And listen, I'm not knocking this website, but that's one thing you want to do. Let me just show you a comparison. I did another video on, can AI build my website? And the answer is yes, but they make mistakes. Here's an AI built website. Now, this is nice. When you first land on it, you can tell it's landscaping. And right here, I can actually, excuse me, I can change this H1 tag and make it more search engine optimized, SEO friendly. But here's a clear call to action. Okay, it's a button that it has some animation to it. It has a call to action, request a free estimate, not just a phone number. So clearly when I land on this within 6 seconds, I know where they are, who they are, what they do. All right, that's really important. Okay, so when I come down, I'm looking for trust. Can I trust this company? Before I fill out this form or do anything else, I want to know if I can trust this company. So we're going to have testimonials, reviews, and an easy way to leave reviews. Okay. All right. I found another website. I Googled house cleaners in New Haven, and this one came up, and it's a pretty decent website. The only thing it's missing, it's telling a story of their services, pricing, where they're located, but it's missing something big, is reviews or testimonials. Um, it's so important, and a way to leave reviews. It's so important. I did a video on getting reviews. It's that important. It builds trust with Google, with the large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, so on, and your customers. So you really want reviews on the home page and an easy way for people to leave reviews. I didn't go through the whole website. They may have a spot for it, but it needs to be on the home page. That's pretty important. Now, another thing that could be holding you back from getting conversions or customers, are you getting the wrong traffic? So I brought up landscapers again. Here's another one. I just want to show you the search engine optimization. Your H1 tag or your header needs to specify what you do and where you are. It's not only good for the customers, but the search engine crawlers, the large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. They all scrape the website. So your H1 tag is important with keywords. This website, they have a forum, which is great, but I'm not going to contact them without getting, yeah, here's a review. This is great. There's little pop-ups. So I'm going to pop that away. Here's proof. That's good. He has a YouTube channel. Um, but you don't have any text here. There's no copy with keywords, search engine optimization. It should be on the home page. And this website doesn't tell a story. When you land on it, 3 to 6 seconds. Yeah, we know it's a landscaper. Easy way to contact. It's not bad for a header, but as we scroll down, we want to be able to tell a story. So once we complete the story, then we want the form. We're ready to buy. We're ready to contact. So the last thing I'll point out is your website mobile friendly, optimized for mobile, because more than 50% of websites are viewed on a mobile device. Is your contact info hidden? Does the website load slow? So optimize for mobile devices. My name's Kevin Mohan from CodeBreeze Solutions right here in New Haven, Connecticut. And my goal is to help small businesses like you grow online. So please leave me a comment, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.